Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about the Waves coin, friends. What's the current price of Waves coin? What's the price since occur in the Waves coin? And what is the next target of Waves coin? And I'm also talking about the urgent update of Waves coin. So keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more news and updates about Waves coin, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently price of the Waves coin, friends. The Waves price is 32.93 USD dollar is the currently at this time live price of Waves coin in the market. If we talk about the price change occur in the Waves coin, so 3.27% negative change occur in the Waves coin in the 24 hours, friends. If we talk about the highest price of the Waves coin, so 40.51 USD dollar is the highest price of Waves coin in the 24 hours, friends. Same like that, the farthest price, the low price is 32.1111 USD dollar is the low price of the Waves coin, friends. Let's see the price chart and price statistic of Waves coin for more details. As you can see, the price falls down as I told you that 3.21%. And if we look the trading volume of the Waves coin are moving upward day by day, minute by minute. 11.61% positive trading volume moves upward in the 24 hours, friends. That's mean if we talk about the market rank, oh my god, 48 is the market rank of Waves coin in the market in the 24-hour, friends. The market cap and fully diluted market cap is fast down in the 24-hour, negative 4% and 4%. The both are 4% fast down, friends. Let's see the price chart of Waves coin, friends. Oh my god, now they're ready to explode, friends. As you can see here, a biggest jump occurred in the Waves coin in the start of May, friends. But unfortunately, at this time they are fast down due to the start of new month, friends. That is why they fast down, friends. I hope that after 2 days, after 3 days, they again take a jump in the chance where the price become positive, and I hope they will give you a good amount of profit in the future, friends. So please don't do this mistake at this time, friends. Don't sell your coin on this time, friends. Wait for it. I hope they will give you good amount of profit in the future. They take a jumping after a 10th May, friends. Remember that they take a jump after a 10th May, friends. What's your opinion about Waves coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.